Okay, so this is what you're gonna have to do here. You're gonna need a piece of paper and a pen and your phone. And you're not gonna be able to watch this video while you're doing it because you have to switch out of your phone to your other, you have to do this, you have to go to your other thing, and then you can come back into it later. So your video, if you're watching it on your phone, you're not gonna be able to keep watching it. Okay, but here's what you do. So if you hold down on any application, and don't accidentally let go of it, you want to hold on to it, then you can either remove it. That doesn't take it off your phone, it just takes it off this screen here, and it's still on your phone. So you can either do that or you can uninstall it. And I think that what we'll do here with your Signal and your wire is we'll just uninstall both of them and we'll start again, because that'll be the easiest, the most error proof. So you just hold down on it and you drag it up here to uninstall, and you let go of it. Do you want to uninstall this app? Okay. Click OK. So now it's uninstalled. Now if you accidentally put it on remove, you're still going to be able to find it. You just swipe upwards and you can see all your apps, and it would be here somewhere. You just look for it. And you can do the same thing. You can hold it up and you can uninstall it. I'm not going to do that right now. Oops, I accidentally did cancel. Okay. So now I don't have wire anymore, and you don't have wire anymore. So do the same with Signal. The blue circle looks like Facebook kind of. It's a blue circle with an S. You hold it down and you drag it to uninstall. And now we're on step 2. So now we're going to go to the Aurora store. You can find it. It's probably like right here on your phone actually. But you just want to find this purple thing that says Aurora store and click it. And then you want to type in, yours is not going to look like mine because I already did this so that I could uninstall it so you could see. Wire Secure Messenger is what you type here. Messenger. Okay, and search. You just click that search button here after you typed it, and then you're going to see it here at the top, Wire Secure Messenger. So click on it. And you're going to want to install it, and yours will probably be a little faster than mine because my internet's really slow where I am. But now see, it's starting here, it's going to go all the way around. So I'm going to cut this video, and then when it's like almost downloaded, I'll start again, Okay, so it's just completed. Now it did complete, and that pops up. And you allow network permission? Yes. You want to click install here with that checked off. It's just basically saying, can this application, can Wire Secure Messenger connect to the network, the internet? And yeah, I mean, if it doesn't connect to the internet, it's not going to work at all. So you click install with that checked. Now it's going to install. And if you go here, you're not going to see it right away because it's installed, but your computer inside is doing it's installing it, it's configuring it. But we can go right ahead back into Aurora Messenger and we can install Signal. So you should do both of these, because then next time wire craps out or whatever, you can just go right to Signal. And Mom and I have been using it anyway quite a bit. So type Signal and hit enter, and Lisa uses it because it actually performs better than wire. Wire is good because we're just used to it. And then here's Signal Secure Messenger. Oh, Signal Private Messenger, and you do the exact same thing. Click install. And you can do these like kind of at the same time because it's going to take a little bit of time for them to actually install, and then once they're really installed, they'll appear on your screen. So I'm going to stop this and I'll start it again when it's almost installed. Okay, so it completed installing, and then this popped up. And again, it's saying, do you want to install this app? Yeah, you want to install it and allow network permission. It's just saying, can it use the internet? If it doesn't use the internet, it can't do anything, like it can't reach out and talk to us. So yes, allow network permission. It's already going to be checked off, and then you click install. And now that is installed. So now we can just get rid of this screen. And if we come down here, we're going to see wire is already installed because that's about how long it takes. So you hold down this, and once it's held down, now you can move it around to your main screen. So I'm going to put wire right there, and then we're going to wait for Signal to appear, and I'm actually going to pause this because Okay, so now Signal has appeared here too. So I'm going to hold down on it. Now I can move it, and I'm going to put it right there on my main screen. So there's Signal. You probably have yours more like this, right? Okay. So now we're going to create accounts for Wire and Signal. This is step 2. And you're going to need your phone number for this. So you probably know it. You don't need to write it down. But I wrote mine down. So you open Wire. Now it's opening for the very first time. It doesn't remember any of that stuff you used to do. Enter your email to start. Or SSO code. So you're going to have to enter your email here. Just let me think what email I can use for this. Okay, so I have an email I can use for that. So you click there, and now all that stuff pops up. I'm going to enter my email. And you can just use any email you want as long as you're going to be able to log into your email later. And actually on that phone that you have, I'm pretty sure I installed an email for you there. So if you click on the, I'm going to click, I'm going to pause this for a sec. Don't do what I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I installed for you Proton Mail and Tuta Mail, and I created accounts for both of them, I think. So if you click on one, it's going to look like this, and then you're going to click here, this top thing, and it will show you your email at the top there. And Tuta Mail, when you open it, it's going to look like this, but it might give you like a message and saying you can't use this because we're not sure if it's like a spam account. So then you just click on something because you want it to think you're not a spam account, but you can't use it right away. Tuta Mail kind of freezes accounts, but Proton Mail usually doesn't. Okay, so now we're going to go back to where we were. Your screen looks like this, right? So I entered my email and I'm going to click next. Enter the password to log in. That's because it sent me an email to a password to my email account that I just gave it. But it hasn't sent me a password yet. This is the thing with Wire. It's really not really that good yet. I mean, it's free, and I think they make money for corporations. Don't have a Wire account, create a Wire account. I think that you have one already, and Mom has this code. She already sent you a picture of it, and you can try to log in with that. Actually, yeah. Okay. I don't know how to go back, like backtrack on this, but you can just click back, and you can delete this if you used a different email, and use whatever email Mom sent you in that picture. It's like boatguy 222 or something like that. I forget. So enter boatguy 222 and click next. And on mine, it's going to be like, I'm just going to make one up just so I can show you the next step. Okay, and then you're going to click here, and this is going to let you enter your password. So that thing has two things, boatguy 222 at whatever, Proton Mail or something, and then it has the password underneath that written on the paper that Mom is going to send you or sent you. So enter the password there and click next. Okay, so when you click next, it should just log you in, and you should be good to go. But if that does not work for whatever reason, you can actually just create an account, which is what I'm going to do right here, just to show you how. But if yours worked, you can skip this part, and you can move on to where I start talking about Signal. And I know you're going to be tempted to just like not go to Signal because now you're already in Wire and everything's good, which that's true. But it would be good if you created a Signal account as well, just because like we haven't even been able to talk to you in like two or 3 weeks, I think. But if you had Signal as a backup, then there would be no delay. And we can use Signal to show you how to like update Wire, and we can like I can call you on Signal and I can guide you through updating on Wire. And if Signal needs an update, I can call you on Wire and tell you how to update Signal. So it's good to have both. I'm gonna create an account on this. You're not doing this unless it didn't let you log in, then you are. So I'm gonna create a new one, and I'm gonna use my email. I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna accept the privacy policy, and then I'm just gonna I'm just gonna say something like wall flowers, and then I'm gonna make up a password here. You can make up any password you want. My password is going to be, I'm just gonna make one up here. And you're gonna have to do one uppercase. See what it says. See what it says here. You need 8 characters or more with one lowercase, one uppercase, a number, and a special character. So you need all of these things in your password. And then you can click continue. Oh, you have to type it again. Click continue. So now it sent an email to a verification code to that email. So I'm going to go to that email that I gave it. I'm going to refresh, see if it sent me anything, and it didn't send me anything. Okay, at some point it will either send me something or it's gonna like not send me anything, and I have to come back at like an hour later or a day later. It's just kind of like, it doesn't want you to have spam. It doesn't want you to just create a million accounts. So it sometimes does stuff like slowing you down. It didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna try to resend the code as not trusted due to a spam filter. Okay. So what does that mean? It's just not gonna do it. What a bummer. Okay, so if you get to that point, then let me know and I'll make another video and we'll troubleshoot that. But let's move on to Signal now. So we click Signal. Now this is for the very first time, and I think that I may have created you an account. You can try to restore an account. That just means log in. Do you want Signal to access your contacts? I think that you actually have to allow. Well, I'm going to click don't allow. Send notifications